So I've been out today doing a bit of a paddle and camp, an overnight camp, and I was testing out this Syncwire, I think you can see that, waterproof bag for your phone and your valuables, that kind of thing. So my wallet's in there at the moment, and yeah, I think it's quite good. I haven't waterproof tested this yet. I will do that at home in the bath and give it a good dunking, but I can see no reason why it wouldn't be. It's a really good plastic material, and there doesn't appear to be any breaks in the seals. Plus, when you chuck your phone in, what it's got is three, I think you can see those, 1, 2, 3 snap locks, and you snap those all the way across, then you do the other one, and they take a bit of doing sometimes. So I think there we go, it's got it, and you can check it just by trying to open it. They are really, missed a bit there it goes, they are really quite firm. I think if you do that, that's it, that's got it all in one go. There, and then these just fold down, so it's a little bit like a dry bag, and then velcros over. Big plus thing is you can't use the thumbprint to unlock your phone, so I just tapped in my password, and there you can actually access your phone and stuff through the bag itself, which is pretty cool. One of the things I do really like about this, obviously you've got this nice bum baggy style clip lock strap on the back, which is adjustable, but you get 2 of these in a pack, which I thought was really good. Previously I'd been using a phone case that came with the dry bag. Well, this phone is a little bit bigger and it's just a bit tight in that case, so I thought, yeah, let's try something else out, eh? Yeah, quite like that so far, quite impressed. Good quality webbing, good quality buckles. Let's give it the waterproof test. Right, so I've got back from my camping trip and I'm having a bit of a soak in the bath. And as promised, I'm going to test out these Syncwire pouches, waterproof pouches for your valuables like mobile phones and so on, to see if they are waterproof. So I've packed each one, I think you can see that, with some kitchen towel, and I've sealed them up. So let's give them a dunk in, and I'm going to leave them in basically all the time I'm in the bath. Get them in there. I think I'll push them down with my feet. Right, okay. Just make sure those bubbles don't reveal anything. Right, while I'm also here, I thought, just as an experiment, this is the ultra dry phone case, the one that comes with an ultra dry bag. Part of a package deal really. I've been using that for the last year or so, and I thought, well, let's see if its integrity is still intact and get that in the water as well. Right, when the bubbles have gone, don't worry, I'll be out of the bath, but we'll see how these things have fared up. Right, so I'm out the bath. I've knocked these about with my feet while I've been in the bath, kept them pressed underwater and so on. So let's drain the water off, get them rinsed off and see what they're like. Okay, so these 2 have been dried off. Let's have a look and see what the interior's like. We'll do the blue one first. Obviously the Velcro's wet and it's still a bit damp in there, as you'd expect anyway. But the most important test is the paper dry? It should be, because these things are actually quite hard to break, these seals. Bone dry, so that's one success. Let's have a look at this. Bone dry. So yes, I'd have to say, I think these are really good. Syncwire waterproof pouches, great for kayaking and water sports. If you like this little video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, by all means subscribe. Hit that little bell notification. It doesn't cost you anything, which is great. It just means you get a notification whenever I upload another one of my amazing, alright, let's not oversell it, eh? Another one of my videos, because I know you don't like to miss out. Alright, thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. Oh, before I go, what was this one like? the ultra dry. I mean, it looks pretty good actually, doesn't it? Also bone dry. Good stuff.